In this video you will learn how to fix the missing enter key or not return button when typing in Instagram. Update the Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version via your device's app store. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart of your phone or tablet can resolve your keyboard glitches. Check your keyboard settings. Ensure your keyboard app is functioning correctly and the enter/return key is enabled in settings. Switch to keyboards. Try a different keyboard app or temporarily see if your enter key appears when typing in Instagram. Clear the app's cache or reinstall Instagram. On Android, clear the app's cache from the settings. Go to Settings, Apps, then Instagram, then clear your cache. On iOS, click uninstall or reinstall your Instagram account. Log out, then log back in. Logging out of your Instagram account, closing the app, then logging back in, refreshes your account settings. This might help fix the missing enter key or return button when typing in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.